Ever been stuck with a Cinc document, a vibrant color copy mind you, that's missing that pesky issue date, leaving you in a bit of a bureaucratic bind? Let's dive into getting a decent, usable colored copy for your needs. Even when the original's a beta euro incomplete. First things first, we need to assess the document, check what's missing and the overall quality of the copy. Is the existing image clear? Are there any significant distortions or marks? If you have a digital copy, open it in an image editing software like Adobe Photoshop. If it's a physical copy, scan it at a high resolution to capture as much detail as possible. Next, let's address the crucial absence of the issue date. Consider the Cinc document's context. Is it easily retrievable? Now comes the crucial part, adding the issue date using your software's text tool. Choose a font that closely resembles the original. Carefully examine the document or any available supporting evidence. Try to match the font size and style. Input the date as accurately as possible in a matching text box. Once the issue date is inputted precisely and the document looks complete, make any necessary adjustments to match the background color of the original. Finally, save the document in a format that retains image quality, such as a JPEG or a PDF. Remember, the goal is to create a reliable rendition that's it. You've restored your colored Cinc document.